Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some animal signs.
ASL keyword sign gorilla. Let's try gorilla. One more. Gorilla. ASL keyword sign alligator. Let's try alligator. One more. Alligator. ASL keyword sign dinosaur. Let's try dinosaur. One more. Dinosaur.
You're doing great.
ASL keyword sign zebra. Zebra. Let's try zebra. One more. Zebra. ASL keyword sign squirrel. Let's try squirrel. One more. Squirrel. ASL eagle. Let's try eagle. One more. Eagle. Like its beak.
Nice signing.
ASL keyword sign penguin. Let's try penguin. One more. Penguin. I'm not quite sure why I do a funny face, but I do feel a bit more like a penguin when I do it. ASL keyword sign dolphin. Let's try dolphin. One more. Dolphin. ASL keyword sign turkey or turkey. Let's try turkey. One more. Turkey. ASL keyword sign goat. Let's try goat. One more. Goat.
Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together.
Gorilla. One more. Gorilla. Alligator. One more. Alligator. Dinosaur. One more. Dinosaur. Rawr. Zebra. One more. Zebra. Squirrel. One more. Squirrel. One more. Eagle. Like its beak. Penguin. One more. Penguin. I'm not quite sure why I do a funny face, but I do feel a bit more like a penguin when I do it. Dolphin. One more. Dolphin. Turkey. One more. Turkey. Goat. One more. Goat.
Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady.
Gorilla. Alligator. Dinosaur. Zebra. Squirrel. Eagle. Penguin. Dolphin. Turkey. Goat.
Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.